Hey! Way back in Alberta, they said to us, you need to crush your hat.
Yes.
So you can get a proper hat like yours.
Uh-huh.
Okay? So we took the challenge, but we can't shoot anything off a warship with rockets and all the other
We don't
stuff.
have a warship.
We use kitties.
Kitties.
We use kitties.
There's a slingshot.
That's it. So the idea is we need some limb,
Yeah.
and we got a good Pride of the South hat here.
Uh-huh.
And we want a real hat, a real Albertan Smith-built hat
Well,
like yours.
This is New Zealand, so myth has it, this is a magical barbecue.
You know what?
Yeah.
I don't think about that.
Yeah. First thing is, we destroy the hat. But you might be surprised when you open it, something else is going to appear there. And if you're lucky, it's meat.
We just got ourselves a lamb. Let's see if this magic thing works. Okay, we're gonna crush it.
Yeah.
We're gonna brine it. How long do you reckon?
Magic. Put a hat on the barbie.
There's a hat on the barbie. Sweat
hat
Lodge
on
in
the
British
barbie.
Columbia. You wanna have a look? You wanna see the lamb? Ta-da! Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
This is a lot more work than I anticipated it would take.
Let's have a look.
Hey!
It's coming.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
New Zealand Magic Barbecue.
Ta-dam! There we go. And that's what you get when you fry a hat.
Now when you crush your hat, you get some food.
That's it.
Look
We
at
got
that.
some arepas, we got some beautiful
Look at
lamb.
that stuff.
New Zealand lamb.
Thank you.
That's it. And what are you doing, man?
See you later, bro.
No, man. Bring back.